Welcome to my channel Simple and Short, where today we embark on an exciting journey into the future of AI conversations. Get ready to explore the groundbreaking innovation that is set to revolutionize human-machine interactions, ChatGPT 5. In this video, we'll delve deep into the transformative potential of ChatGPT 5, uncovering its cutting-edge features and discussing its wide-ranging impact across industries. So, let's strap in and immerse ourselves in the world of ChatGPT 5, a paradigm shift in AI conversations. Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled to be your guide through this immersive journey. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at ChatGPT 5, an upcoming AI conversation model that promises to redefine the way we interact with artificial intelligence. At its core, ChatGPT 5 represents a quantum leap in natural language understanding. It surpasses its predecessors by a wide margin, thanks to the meticulous refinement of its training. This refinement has led to a deeper comprehension of context, nuances, and complex queries, enabling more accurate and contextually relevant responses. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable advancements that make ChatGPT 5 a true game changer. But first, let's talk about the extraordinary feature that sets ChatGPT 5 apart: seamless multimodal conversations. In the past, AI conversations were limited to text. However, with ChatGPT 5, users can now integrate text, images, and even audio within their interactions, creating a richer and more immersive communication experience. We'll explore how this multimodal capability enhances the way we interact with AI and opens up new possibilities in various domains, such as content creation, virtual assistants, healthcare, education, and more. Imagine being able to have a conversation with an AI assistant that understands both your words and the visual or auditory context you provide. Moving on, let's delve into the hyper-personalization and adaptive learning capabilities of ChatGPT 5. With ChatGPT 5, personalization reaches new heights. The model takes into account individual users' preferences, behavior, and past interactions to tailor responses specifically to them. This level of hyper-personalization enhances user experiences and fosters a sense of connection with the AI system. We'll examine how this adaptation occurs and discuss the implications of adaptive learning for the future of AI conversation models. Through continuous learning and user feedback, ChatGPT 5 becomes more attuned to individual needs, making conversations feel more personalized and meaningful. Now, let's shift our focus to the human-like conversational flow that ChatGPT 5 achieves. ChatGPT 5 engages in dialogue with a remarkable level of fluency and coherence, blurring the line between AI and human interactions. The advancements in dialogue management have brought us closer than ever to achieving truly natural and dynamic conversations. We'll dive into the behind-the-scenes mechanisms that make this possible, exploring the algorithms, context handling, and conversational strategies employed by ChatGPT 5. Whether you're having a casual conversation or seeking assistance, ChatGPT 5 aims to provide a seamless and engaging experience. Emotional intelligence takes center stage with ChatGPT 5. Emotions play a vital role in human communication, and ChatGPT 5 understands that. This AI model incorporates emotional intelligence, enabling it to perceive and respond to human emotions with greater sensitivity and empathy. We'll explore the potential applications of this feature in areas such as mental health support, virtual companionship, customer service, and beyond. Imagine having an AI conversation partner that not only understands your words but also recognizes and empathizes with your emotions, providing support and guidance when needed. While we marvel at the capabilities of ChatGPT 5, we must also address the importance of ethical and responsible AI. OpenAI remains committed to upholding ethical standards in AI development. ChatGPT 5 is built with robust safety measures to prevent biases, misinformation, and the generation of inappropriate content. We'll discuss the ongoing efforts to ensure the responsible deployment of AI models, emphasizing the significance of transparency, accountability, and user trust. Ethical considerations are crucial in shaping the future of AI conversations, and it's essential that we address them as we progress towards a more AI-integrated world. The impact of ChatGPT 5 extends far beyond the realm of technology. In this segment, we'll explore the transformative potential of ChatGPT 5 across diverse industries and sectors. From healthcare to education, entertainment to customer service, ChatGPT 5 has the power to revolutionize processes, improve efficiency, and enhance user experiences. We'll showcase specific examples of how ChatGPT 5 can reshape these domains, highlighting the benefits it can bring to professionals, businesses, and end users alike. Imagine virtual tutors that adapt their teaching methods based on students' individual needs, or personalized customer support experiences that address your concerns with precision and empathy. We hope this in-depth journey has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of ChatGPT 5 and the paradigm shift it represents. The arrival of ChatGPT 5 invites us to imagine the endless possibilities it holds for transforming the way we communicate with AI systems. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI technology, let's remember to embrace its potential while upholding ethical principles and ensuring a responsible integration into our lives. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay curious, keep exploring, and together, let's shape the future of human-machine interactions.